My kid's AutoBrush just came in and I can't. I have to unbox this for you. Just check it out. Now this is just the box. It's not the actual unit that makes that sound. This is just fun. Have your kids open this box and they'll get excited about using the AutoBrush. Well, now that you've seen what's inside, let's take a closer look. So we've got the actual AutoBrush, which is made of this really nice silicone, cute little nubbies here to help with grip and also just as fun little decorative accents. All of this is just very nice and grippy, easy to wash. You can see the LED lights right here. Look at the design of this charging base. Like, adorbs. It's got these nice little stickies on the bottom, and here you can see it has the magnetic slot for this charging bit right here, and look how easily that attaches. Just pop, charging. Oh, don't knock it out, I guess. On the other end of this is the USB, and you also get this brick for plugging that into. All in all, a good looking set. Now let's put it together. Okay, I got the size 6 to 8 brush, which is this right here for reference. My daughter has a small mouth and she's 5 years old, so this is the 3 to 5 year old range. 6 to 8, 3 to 5. Here we've got these silicone parts. Inside that there are bristles, and then there's a line of blue bristles along the bottom. We've got this hole right here that fits, it's kind of a rectangular hole that fits this pretty snugly. Just give that a little oof, and there you go. Are we ready to turn it on? Yes, we are. First, oh, how fun. So there's a tiny little light icon here, and here you can see the little timer. This is the different brushing functions. So we've got blue, we've got red, we've got green. Ooh, look at these fun colors. Okay, this I have not seen. I guess that's what the speaker's for. Can you see it vibrating? Power on. Okay, so I'm pressing these, and it is doing different things. It's changing the vibration, the frequency. This is like a pulse. This is just a consistent high vibration, and this is a more floppy version. You can turn off the sound. Okay, see if you can hear this. It's very quiet, and it's actually like soothing. So there it is. This is my first time checking this out in person. I already let my kids open the box. I had no idea this music surprise would be waiting inside. They got an absolute kick out of it, and they're so excited to use this tonight. We'll see how it goes. I'll report back.